And let's bundle the fish with my bean paste.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa has a very beautiful barramundi or wild siakap, yeah? Barramundi fish. This is actually a cutlet taken out from a 7 kg barramundi fish. Super fragrant, super fresh. No matter how you cook it, it's going to taste nice. I'm going to make fry and then make some spicy bean paste and pour over it. I can't wait, yeah? You know, when you fry this kind of size of barramundi fish, the fish skin itself will turns out to be like keropok, crunchy. Very, very nice. Yeah, you should really try if you haven't tried before. So in order to prep the fish, we can just give it a thin layer of some salt. Yeah, that's it. Give it some marinade. Next thing, I have some big onion, garlic, shallot, this is ginger, and also some big chili. And I'm going to use these two, especially main ingredient, main sauce to make the spicy bean paste. So I have, of course, the spicy bean paste here. I'm using from Lee Kum Kee. You can use any brand, yeah, optional. And I mean, any brand will do. And of course, my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, where you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore. Alright, next thing is to prepare a pot of oil and bring up to smoking point. See, you start seeing smoke coming out from the oil. That is 180 degrees Celsius and above at least. And that is the kind of temperature that we wanted before we put in the fish. And you can always use a long spatula to help you to put in the fish. And of course, the next thing, after you have added in the fish into the hot oil, don't do anything. Allow the thin crust at the bottom to form, so that give it rest. Let it rest for probably about a minute to two before you flip it onto the other side. Now, of course, before you put in the fish, you want to use a kitchen towel to wipe the fish dry. And what I did just now, I also added in some salt. Yeah, some people like to put in some pepper. I don't know why. From my previous experience, if you put in some pepper, the fish tend to stick lah. So I usually just put salt. And another thing, of course, today Appa is actually using a non-stick wok, so it is not supposed to stick lah. I cheat a little bit. So what's the difference between frying fish using a non-stick and a steel wok or a standard steel wok? If you use a steel wok and stainless steel wok, you will get nicer fragrance, nicer char, because why? It can transmit higher heat. So when you are using a non-stick, it cannot transmit as high heat, but of course you get to preserve the whole fish better because it's non-stick. So this is after approximately 2 minutes. Let me try to flip the fish over. See how beautiful it is? Even it is not a non-stick, even it is not a steel wok, but still it comes out very beautifully done. Beautiful color. So I'll give this side another 2 minutes. Then we will, then only we will flip it one more time. So basically, you don't really have to flip your fish very often. So this is after another 2 minutes. Oh, not enough. I'll give it slightly longer time. I want to get the kind of char that I wanted. Alright, this is after another 30 seconds. It should be alright. Ooh, bad demo. Right. Oh, look at how beautiful it is. This piece of cutlet, I think I paid for like slightly over 20 ringgit. Go and try any siakap, wild siakap above 3 kg. And this one is 7 kg. So basically the fish is almost like 90% cooked. What I want now is just to get the kind of brown and also char that I wanted for my fish. Almost done. That's how simple it is to fry a fish at home. Okay, this after another 30 seconds. Ah, now I'm really getting the kind of brown I wanted. So I give it another side, also another 20-30 seconds, then it is done. So I'm preparing a plate at the side with oil absorbing paper or kitchen towel, right? Now I can very carefully take out the fish. Look at how beautiful it is. I'm going to very quickly make the sauce. I can't wait to eat the fish skin. You'll be surprised, the fish skin tastes even better than the fish itself. So we are going to quickly make some sauce. I took about a little bit of oil here from the fried fish just now, don't waste. And we are going to saute the garlic ginger. Saute these two first before we continue. Once you start seeing the garlic or ginger started to brown, you can now add in 1 tablespoon of spicy bean paste. Always try to saute your bean paste with hot oil because this is going to remove the earthiness of the fermented beans. Super fragrant right now. You can now put in the yellow onion slices. My chili will be added in towards the end because it's more for garnishing rather than anything else. Wow, smells very good. Next thing, you can actually add in some hot water here. And we are going to season it. Tune down to low fire. First of all, I'm giving it a bit of Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. Some people say, Appa, how come your chicken powder will start caking? Don't worry about the caking part because it will cake because I did not add in any anti-caking agent. So it's natural. You just press on it, then it will become powder back. Don't worry. Some oyster sauce. I don't mind adding a little bit of tomato sauce. This is optional, up to you. This is tomato sauce, some salt, some sugar. Then now we can raise the heat to medium or medium high. Our sauce is almost ready, and now is the time. See, it's now boiling. I'm going to add in the big chili. So of course, if you like spicy, you can add in chili padi. Yeah. So basically, our spicy bean paste sauce is ready. If you don't want it to be spicy, you can use the non-spicy bean paste. Yeah. All right. So here's the fish, and let's bundle the fish with the bean paste. And garnish it with some fresh coriander. Done. My very yummy fried barramundi fish with some bean paste. Yeah. If you like my very simple video today, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on the Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Now you get to see my fish. Just now you can't see my fish. Alright, thank you very much. Enjoy your dinner with your family. Bye bye.